My John Deere D140 riding mower won't start. It cranks, but there does not seem to be any fuel going to the pump. I disconnected the filter from the line to the tank and blew into it. I heard bubbles in the gas tank, so I know that is not clogged. I also blew through the line from the pump to the fuel filter. That is not clogged either. Do you think this is a fuel pump problem or something else?
Before replacing pump, I would suggest you remove fuel filter all the way and try to blow through the same way fuel goes. It may blow back to tank but not allow it to go to pump. Second is try giving it a little shot of ether while cranking, and if it starts, then yes, replace pump. If not, you may have a spark issue. Since it is cranking, that does eliminate other issues like PTO, brake switches, etc. So if it won't fire on ether, remove plug and set on engine while connected to wire and touching engine and see if it has spark. It should. Also let me know what color plug is, like black or wet.
I'm going back down to the shed to try your suggestions. Thanks. I'll get back to you with my results.
No problem, just let me know. Thanks, Spanky.
My husband took the line off the fuel filter and blew through it. It was fine. There was very little gas in the line, so he sucked gas up through the line and through the fuel pump and reattached it. It still would not start. So we removed the line on the other side of the fuel pump and poured a little gas into it. It started right up. But now it is smoking. There is a white smoke coming from the right, from the driver view, front of the mower. He is afraid we have done something bad. I think he should just let it run to see if it will stop smoking. What is your suggestion? Sharon.
That is what needs to be done. Run it after making sure your oil level was good. It might have had some stale gas still in it. Just listen for noises. If sounds good, smoke should go away.
We will go back down and restart it to let it run. Hopefully the pump will work and it will start pulling gas from the tank. I'll get back to you. Thanks, Sharon.
Okay, let me know. Sometimes the seal dries out and doing what you did normally fixes it.
He got the tractor running and it seems fine. Do you think this was from bad gas? I thought we had filled it to the top and added Stabil to it last year, but my husband says it was not full. Sharon.
Even with Stabil, gas gets stale. It's best to add Stabil and run it almost empty before storing, then add fresh gas the next year before starting. Happy to hear it's running good now. You should be good for the rest of the year. I'm going to change to question and answer. It appears you're having some issues with chat. Hold on, please.
Thank you, Spanky. Now my husband and I will tackle the tiller. Sharon.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. See if this works better for you, Sharon. You can read post above from chat. Sounds good. Good luck and have a nice day, Spanky.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.